Thank you for choosing MTI. This video will guide you through operating your MTI 722 and 729 surgery chairs. Before getting started, review these important safety guidelines. Always ensure the patient, equipment, and surrounding area are safe. Confirm that patient arms, the headrest, and all adjustable features are properly locked and secure. And keep controls and cords clear to prevent trip hazards. And be sure to read the complete user manual before installation and use. Your MTI chair is built with patented state-of-the-art technology. At its core is SmartTech, a centralized computer system that combines smart controller and smart safety technologies to enhance safety, reduce energy use, and deliver smooth, quiet movement with expanded memory and user preferences. The smart controller enables soft start and stop motion, a power-saving hibernation mode, a home and programmable home, and 4-position program buttons. Plus, a user program mode lets users customize how the home and program buttons operate, either momentary, where you press once for automatic movement, or maintained, where you press and hold to move and release to stop. The momentary button setting is the factory default setting for the home button and program buttons. The 722 and 729 chairs also feature the Comfort Sync arm system, which improves caregiver access and automatically positions the patient's arms as the backrest moves, reducing the need for manual repositioning. This chair is designed to move smoothly and easily using simple foot controls and hand switches. Let's walk through what each control does and how to use it. Use the lift up and lift down buttons to raise or lower the chair. Press the button in the direction you want the chair to move. Use the back up and back down buttons to adjust the backrest. Press up to raise it or down to recline it. Use the tilt up and tilt down buttons to change the angle of the seat. This allows you to fine-tune the patient's position, provide more comfort for the patient, and deliver better patient access to the caregiver. The 729 has a power leg rest. On this model, use the foot up and foot down buttons to control the footrest. Press foot up to raise the footrest. As the footrest raises, it will also extend. Press foot down to lower and automatically retract it as it nears the floor. Use the foot extend and foot retract buttons located on each side of the footrest to adjust the foot section extension independently once the foot is raised. The foot control has a swivel button which is non-functional for the 722 and 729 chairs. The stop button immediately stops all chair movements. Use this anytime you need the chair to stop immediately. Your chair is equipped with a safety lockout, which disables all commands to prevent unwanted or inadvertent movements. To enable the safety lockout, press the following sequence of buttons without a pause between stop, stop, back up, then stop. To disable the safety lockout, press the following sequence of buttons without a pause between stop, stop, back down, then stop. To turn off the 722 or 729 surgery chair, press the power button on the hand switches on either side of the back section of the chair. The home button moves the chair to a factory-programmed home position and an ADA-compliant home position. This makes it easy to return the chair to an entry and exit position. To use the program buttons, press and release the program button to automatically move the chair to its saved position. Auto button cancellation can be used at any time during automatic movements to immediately stop the chair's movement. To use this feature during the automatic movement, press any button except the same auto button pressed to automate the movement and the chair will stop. The program buttons, labeled P1 through P4, move the chair to user-saved positions. The program buttons are not programmed from the factory and when pressed will make an audible beep until programmed. The home and program buttons are factory set to momentary mode. In this mode, pressing and releasing a button automatically moves the chair to its programmed position. To use the home button, press and release the home button once to move the chair to the factory programmed home position. To move to the ADA-compliant home position, press and release the home button twice quickly. To program the home button, move the chair to the desired location. Press and hold the home button for 10 seconds, after which you will hear a confirmation tone. That position is now saved as your programmed home position. At any time, a double press of the home button will return the chair to the ADA-compliant home position. To program your P1 through P4 program buttons, move the chair to the desired position, press and hold the chosen program button for 5 seconds, after which you will hear a confirmation tone. That position is now saved. Repeat this process for each of the program buttons. To use the program buttons, press and release the program button to automatically move the chair to its saved position. Auto button cancellation can be used at any time during automatic movements to immediately stop the chair's movement. To use this feature during the automatic movement, press any button except the same auto button pressed to automate the movement and the chair will stop. If you've changed your button setting to a maintain button setting, the home and program buttons will move only while the button is pressed and maintained pressed. See the user manual to determine how to change the button setting from a momentary button setting to a maintained button setting. To use the home button in the maintain button setting, press and hold the home button while the chair moves to the programmed home position. Release the button when movement is complete. To move to the ADA-compliant home position, after arriving at programmed home, release the home button and then press and hold it again within 1 second and continue to hold the button until the chair reaches the ADA-compliant home position. To program the home position in the maintain button setting to a new programmed home position, position the chair to the desired position, press and release the stop button twice, then hold the home button for 10 seconds. The chair will play a high-low-high tune after the programmed home position has been saved. To use the program buttons in the maintain button setting, press and hold the desired program button and release the button when movement is complete. To program a program button in the maintain button setting, position the chair to the desired position, press and release the stop button twice, then press and hold the program button for 5 seconds. The chair will play a high-low-high tune after the position has been saved. The hand switches have LED indicators on them. These are used to provide user feedback on conditions, inputs, and errors. Left to right are green, blue, and orange LEDs. See Guide to Indicator Lights and Sounds in the user manual for more details. These simple controls provide smooth, precise positioning for comfort, safety, and efficiency. Next, let's move to the headrest and arm adjustments. To adjust the height of the headrest, loosen the knob on the back of the chair and adjust the height of the headrest to the desired location. Then tighten the knob securely. To articulate the headrest, loosen the knob on the articulating headrest lock mechanism. Adjust the position and angle of the headrest and secure by turning the knob clockwise. To change the headrest cushion, loosen the knob on the articulating headrest lock mechanism. Rotate the articulating headrest lock mechanism forward so it is laying on the backrest. Remove the small knob on the headrest pentel and remove the headrest. Then insert another headrest into the articulating headrest lock mechanism. Reattach the small knob into the end of the headrest pentel and reposition the headrest to a desired location and tighten the knob on the articulating headrest mechanism. If the chair was purchased with the prosthetic headrest, additionally, you can adjust the cushion's angle by loosening the cushion's adjustment handle, then rotate the cushion to the desired location and tighten the handle securely. To reposition the handle on the back of the headrest, pull on the handle while pressing on the button. Rotate, and release. The prosthetic headrest can be positioned with the handle on either side of the headrest lock by removing the headrest and reinserting it into the headrest lock from the other side. Then reposition the handle as desired and reattach the small knob into the end of the headrest pentel. To adjust the armrests while holding the front of the arm, rotate the arm lock handle away from the front and center of the chair. Position the arm in the desired position and then tighten the arm lock handle by turning it towards the front and center of the chair. For safety, the arm does not rotate more than 5 degrees inward and 90 degrees away from the chair. To reposition the arm lock handle, pull down on the hub portion of the handle. While pulling down on the handle, turn the handle to the desired location, then release the handle. To remove the arm, with one hand, hold the metal end of the arm with fingers on the locking clip. With the other hand, support the weight of the arm and pull back on the lever at the metal end of the arm and pull the arm straight out. Your chair is equipped with a medical-grade silicone arm strap for safely securing a patient during a procedure. The arm straps are adjustable and removable. To attach the arm strap while facing the side of the chair, install the single hole end of the strap on either strap mounting stud. Wrap the strap towards you and over the arm and the patient's arm toward the patient. Then attach the multi-hole end of the strap to either strap mounting stud. Both ends of the strap can be secured on the same stud if desired. To remove the arm restraint strap, grasp the multi-hole end of the strap and pull the strap off the stud. Unwrap the strap from the patient's arm. The strap can remain attached between patients or removed completely as desired. Thank you for choosing MTI and taking the time to learn how to operate your chair. We are committed to providing equipment that supports your comfort, efficiency, and patient care. If you have questions or need additional support, help is always available. Visit mti.net for product resources and information, or contact MTI customer service at 801-875-4998 for personalized assistance. Thank you for choosing MTI.